I'm going to show you the finishing touches that I added to my leather necklace set that I did for a special project. I already did a video showing you how I put this foil on the leather, but I'll tell you a little bit more about how I prepared the leather. The black piece is 2 pieces of leather that I glued together using E6000 because I wanted both pieces of the leather to have a design. I did the same with the red. It's 2 pieces of leather glued together with the E6000. Once I cut the leather on my Glowforge, leather has this terrible burned skin smell. So I cleaned the leather off with, I think it's vinegar and water. So I cleaned the sides of the leather, and then I waited a couple of days for the leather smell to go away because I wanted to finish the edges with gold paint, but I did not want to seal in that smell. So I waited until the smell went away to go ahead and paint my edges. I use this golden iridescent gold paint to just paint the sides of each piece of the jewelry. And I was trying to be very careful because I didn't want to get any smears on the front or back. I only wanted the paint on the sides. But I'll show you, I wasn't as careful as I thought I was being, so I had to do some cleanup. And I'll show you what I had to do after I finished painting all of the sides. It had been quite a while since I did this particular necklace style. You'll probably notice that I don't make very many necklaces, but I decided to do this style, and I got such positive feedback from it that I decided to do another one, do the same style but using different materials. So I'll show you a necklace that I made this weekend just before my event. And I made 3 of them, and one of them sold this weekend. So let me cut to that one. This is the same design as the other one, but I have used fabric that I've applied foil to. And then I applied the fabric to acrylic, and I cut the acrylic on my Glowforge. And this one got a lot of attention, and people really liked it, and it sold pretty quickly. I also had 2 others that I did with the fabric. One is hand-painted acrylic, and the other one I think is fabric. I'll have to look at it and see. But yeah, this one sold. The lady had a special event she's gonna participate in, and she's going to wear this set. She loved it. Putting this gold paint on the edges was a pretty delicate process, and it would have been better if I had done it before the necklace was put together. But like I said, I needed to wait. I wanted to get it finished because I didn't want to be. I had a deadline to make, and so I wanted to get the major parts done. I'm going to go ahead and show you the other 2 necklaces that I made that I still had. So let me find them. This one is my hand-painted acrylic that I like. And here's the necklace that I just showed you. This is the other necklace set that I made. So I'm pretty happy with them. I may continue with this style or do a variation of it. It's pretty easy to make. I'm really happy with the way that this paint is going on this leather. It's looking very rich, and that was the look that I wanted. So I won't make you keep watching paint dry, but I do want to show you what I had to do the cleanup. Even though I tried to be as careful as I could, I still had some smudges on the front. And so I had to get some alcohol and try to get these smudges off without destroying my design. So here we go. It was really a challenge getting it off of the black leather. The red leather seemed to release the paint a little bit easier, but this black was really hard. But I had to just really soak my paper towel in the alcohol. And my alcohol was only 50%. I like to use 91% alcohol. I think that's easier to use, easier for something like this. But you know, I just had to work and get it done. Looks pretty good now. See if you can get that side view. Oh. Okay, I got it cleaned up to my satisfaction. Here is the back view of it. So I'm very happy with it. And I will package it up tomorrow and it will go to its new home. All right, good people, you know the drill. If you like this video, please give me a like, a thumbs up, comment. If you're not subscribed, I'd love for you to subscribe. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sherika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.